Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable always on display in any device. So first of all, you guys have to go to the settings and then scroll so that we have an option of personalization here. Just tap on personalization guys and then again scroll. So as you see on this section, we have an option of always on display. So just tap on more and enable this feature from here. Now after enable, just select any style like I am selecting this one and then click apply. Okay. Now go back and as you see this is how it's working. So by the way guys, this was the option if your phone have this option, but if your phone doesn't have this option, so all you guys have to do, just go to Play Store. We have a third-party application also for a always on display, and then install the application called Movies Edge. So this is the application of always on display. Just install this application and this is how we can use these always on display in it. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.